So it's been an exciting time at TubeMogul. We've really invested in using programmatic to find consumers where they are, and that means a deep investment in cross-screen planning, which we're seeing bear fruit right now. It means being on every screen that plan implies. So last year you saw a big move into mobile and into programmatic TV. Programmatic TV is now taking on a bigger portion of our world, and increasingly on other screens to connected televisions, other places as well. Well, we're in a whole new world, not just TubeMogul, but all of marketers. So the exciting thing is most of the challenges are about going up a learning curve. So for instance, we have a new way of measuring and planning cross-screen media. Well, that teaches you a lot about how that media should be planned. So there's actually a huge amount of work and research and insight we can derive that we've only really begun to work on at TubeMogul and even in the industry. So they're challenges, but they're all exciting learning challenges. I've had a couple really interesting conversations here, especially around programmatic television. How do we make the mechanics of that industry and that economy work for advertisers, for everyone involved, for the content providers as well? Because everyone really believes in it, and we're looking to see how we can push it forward. The other really exciting work that I've seen and we've been a part of is around measurement. So it's one thing to understand that consumers are going to be on one screen or another, you have to find where they are. It's another to understand the impact that your advertising is having on them across those screens. I can think of three things that are really quite interesting right now. One is, people thinking about, as I said, cross-screen planning, using all sorts of different data engines to plan reaching consumers across multiple screens. Another one is watching advertisers, marketers, agencies, publishers, everyone learn to use programmatic television, what it means to their business. And finally, one of the really interesting innovations is around television, as we're able to fingerprint the television shows that people are watching and use those data streams to really get insight into much more granular television and internet behaviors than we'd seen before. Because we now have this cross-screen planning engine, we've used it as a research tool, and we're watching how much of an advantage it can be when you use algorithms to find consumers where they really want to be. And it's surprising even to us. The impacts are on the order of 20, 30, 40% of the value of your media if you are using algorithms versus trying to do this kind of work manually. So it's going to be a revolutionary change, I think, in the industry.